So, I have a new hack for those of you that probably already know this hack, but I never did it. When you don't have on any makeup, put on some big sunglasses that cover your eyebrows. It's the best. Because right now I look cute even though my eyebrows aren't done. And this, I hate this stop sign thing. This stop sign is like, I don't even understand. I can't describe it because it's ridiculous. But anyway, I'm driving to Trader Joe's. I am going to get a bunch of different pumpkin stuff, so I'm going to take you guys with me for that. And happy Saturday to everybody. So everybody in my house is sick right now, so I have to actually go to the store and buy medicine. Yeah, didn't know what the name of it was. And yeah, we're going to see how that goes. I am feeling super cute. I laid my own wig. Literally laid my own wig, and feeling very cute. And these sunglasses are new. My outfit is completely like 100% head to toe new. I got actually, you saw this if you looked at my Walmart haul. Shameless plug, go look at that because it is very cute. I have these jeans from Walmart, and I forgot where this shirt is from. It's called like Red Bricks or something. I forgot. I'll put that in the description box. And these sunglasses are from there too. These are actually K. I don't know what the name of it is. Australia with Jacqueline Hill. These are her glove sunglasses. Quick pet peeve of mine. When you are in the grocery store or any type of store at all and you are waiting in line and somebody's on your back, like legit on your back, like if I back up a step, I'm gonna step on your foot. I don't have a problem with personal space. Like, I need you to back up so I can have some personal space. Why are you that close to me in the first place? Like, that's a little ridiculous. Chill out. I really don't like that. That really frustrates me. So for those of you that are watching, if you see me in the store, just give me some personal space. I shouldn't have to reach out my arm and be able to touch your stomach, okay? I don't like that. So for those of you, I just came out of Trader Joe's. It was a little crazy in there. Everybody's going in there and getting their stuff today. It's a nice fall day. That's cool. Back up, okay? I don't like it. Thanks. All right. Yeah, just left Target, and I got quite a few cute things. I love Target. I can't help myself. God help me. Just help me, Lord. Does everybody else go to Target and go crazy all the time? Like, why do you have so much cute stuff? Oh God, it's frustrating. I try to go there, you only go to Target for 2 things. You never spend 2 things money. That's never what happens, but well, at least in Target, nobody stood too close to me. That's a plus, because people are just losing it today. I feel like they're just legit losing it. So I got hubby day, night, and cold. Thank you. I don't know what I'm waiting for. I got hubby severe cold and day and night medicine. You guys know what I'm talking about. So he hopefully will be getting over his cold soon. I feel so bad. How do you get everybody in the house sick? You know what I'm saying? Like, how did I manage to do that? Good morning, guys. So today I'm doing, really? That's Jonathan. Today I'm doing the Trader Joe's. Can I talk? I'm gonna do the Trader Joe's taste test. Oh my goodness. All right, hold on, guys. I don't even know what time it is, but this guy. Hold on. Stink. You have something you want to say? Huh? No? We were just talking up a storm. What do you have to say? You want to get out of there? Okay, no, you can't yet. Thank you. Because he won't stop, guys. He won't stop. Better? Is that better? You okay? You were just waiting for me to pick you up? Clearly. Because now he's fine, right? What do you want? You got mommy's hair on your shoulder. No, you're not getting no chips right now. I'm trying. You want to come in the bags with me and see? You want to see what's in those bags? Yeah? Okay. All right, guys. So I'm about to do the taste test. I'm going to definitely try these. And the salsas. Pumpkin butter. I don't have any bread to go with this because it says it's good with bread and toast and stuff. This ginger brew beer, so I'll try that. And the soup I'm going to try and get. I'm definitely trying these chips. And a cookie. So starting off with the cereal. Moving on to the chips and salsa, and then moving on to the cookies last, like that's a treat, drinking it down with this ginger brew. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like with no makeup on still. Excuse my face. And it's just the weekend, so I'm kind of like chilling out. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour this ginger beer that we have going on. It's not ginger beer. Oh my god, ginger brew. See where my mind is, right? To taste this one first. So let's see if I can open this. Oh, okay. There we go. Didn't expect that. I'm gonna pour that into a glass. I'll just put some ice because it's been sitting like in a bag. So let's see. This tastes like super sweet. Not my favorite. Guys, I don't love this. I don't know if it's because it's not. I don't know, but it's not great. No. Okay, next, trying pumpkin oats. Okay, so let's try this. That ginger, ginger wasn't it. That wasn't it. Okay, so I can dig my hands in it. So I'm about to do that. I mean, it is my bad because somebody else is gonna eat this. All right, so this is pumpkin oats and toasted cereal. It's low fat, vegan, gluten free, and 20 grams of whole grains. Let's see. These are good. Yep. They're like honey nut Cheerios with like, I don't know, like stuff on it. It's really good though. These are good. I'm gonna be eating those for sure. Those are really good. Now we're gonna try our fall chips. Not really fall, they're veggie chips, but they're flavored like fall. So first I'm oh, they smell so good. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try this fall harvest salsa first because I feel like, you know, should try that first. So let's see. Strain. Okay, so in here it says it is pumpkin, tomatoes, water, tomatillo, onions, apples, butternut squash, red bell peppers, jalapeno, honey, lime juice, sea salt, concentrate, lime juice concentrate, sea salt, natural flavor, garlic, and cumin. Put this in there, and these chips are carrot, tomato, spinach, and garlic, red beet, and onion. So I don't know what kind of chip this is, but I'm gonna try this one. Let's see. Yep. We're just gonna do that one more time because that was that good. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. This is actually good. That's also making a mess, guys. Just don't do what I did. Because I wanted to double dip and I felt like I shouldn't, you know? I should have, because nobody else is going to eat this. So maybe not this one. This one people actually will eat. This is delicious. This fall harvest salsa. Yeah, this is a yes. Okay, moving on to corn and chili tomato-less salsa. I know this is good already because I've eaten this before, but I'm gonna still taste test it for you because technically it's folly. I guess this is a beet chip maybe. This is just like no sauce. I mean no salsa, no tomato. What is this? Corn, sugar, onions, red bell peppers, jalapenos, distilled vinegar, crushed red pepper, black pepper, coriander seed, mustard seed, salt, guar gum. I guess to stick it together. I don't know. They're sweet. Sweeter than I remember, but after spicy. I feel like you can't go wrong with salsa. How can you go wrong with salsa, you know? So good. Oh my god. Always making a mess. Alright. Last but not least, I'm gonna eat one of these glimmering pumpkin sugar coated sugar cookies. Sorry guys, it's like just had my mess with these bag of chips. It's a sugar cookie shaped pumpkin sugar cookie shaped pumpkin shaped sugar cookie. Oh my god. They taste like delicious buttery. These are really good. It's like the most delicious butteriness. It's so buttery. Oh my god, guys. I'm not reading the ingredients because they're a ton on there, but this tastes like a delicious buttery piece of goodness. Go get these. I will wash it down with this ginger beer, but it's freaking gross. I'm about to tear that cookie up. But that's really it for the taste test for my Trader Joe's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun going to Trader Joe's, even though it's kind of crazy, and you'll see that in the early parts of the vlog, but I'm gonna still do this anyway. Hold on. Oh, you know what? If you let it sit, it kind of tastes like ginger ale. It kind of tastes like ginger ale if you just let it sit for a while. It's pretty good. Let it sit, take all that sugar out. This concludes my video. Hold on. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one, guys.